Alright, so let's see what we have here. Nice. So this one is roughly 700 square feet, but so far, it looks bigger than I was expecting for 700 square feet.
Yeah,
See,
very nice.
It's like a living room, dining room, kitchen combo. The mirrors make it look a lot bigger, and it's interesting because normally I wouldn't imagine seeing this many mirrors in a new build, but I guess because of the size of the place, it wouldn't make it look a lot larger.
Yeah. And it works. It's some great craftsmanship.
Yep. Okay. So it's a basement, but it doesn't really feel like a basement. It has a nice large window, which you can use for egress in the event that there was an emergency. You can easily get out there. Again, more mirrors. Walk-in closet. It's nice. Typically, like I said before, I'm not excited about having hardwood in the basement, but this looks more like a re-engineered style floor. So it's probably weather resistant and more susceptible to moisture.
Looks like it's varying widths as well, right?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Nice traditional subway style white tile bathroom. Pretty straightforward. It's nice stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe you have another like sitting room area. Doesn't have a closet, but if you were to put up like a partition like here, you could almost make this another bedroom.
Yeah.
It'd be a little tight, but I think you could do it.
Almost like one in a den.
Exactly.
Okay.
But depending on the person's living situation, they could actually section this off and make it like a bedroom.
That would make a lot of sense.
This is the one bedroom. See how the next one looks.
Nice amount of living space.
I like how they all have like the keyed entry. So you don't necessarily have to have a key. You can use that.
Oh yeah. It's the hallway.
Common hallway.
Now should we go to this one?
I say let's do this one.
All right. Is this a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom?
This is the 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
All right.
2-bedroom plus then 2.5 bath.
Okay, so it's almost like a 3-bedroom.
In fact, it could be the den space down there could be enclosed to be a third.
Oh, nice. And I noticed that the other one too could almost be.
It
it wouldn't have a window and it wouldn't have a closet.
It wouldn't be a legal bedroom.
Yeah, literally, but you could kind of use it as a desk. Okay.
Off the record, right?
Yeah. See how
Beautiful craftsmanship.
Yeah, I like the fact that
Carpet
even though it's a
looks
newer
excellent.
build, it still has the thicker baseboards. So a lot of times I feel like nowadays most of the homes have the small baseboards in the new builds.
Really nice door.
So let's see. A den here.
Yeah,
That's
so
nice.
it's a nice den. In the bathroom.
1-panel door as opposed to our normal 6-panel doors.
Have you noticed the tiles in the bathroom are very nice, very neat?
Yeah, very modern, very sleek.
Very modern.
Still the white tiles, but it has more of a beveled edge to it, so they make it look a little fancier.
Yep, a little bit better than subway tiles, right?
Yeah, it almost looks like a hotel style, like rainforest shower head.
There you go. Yep.
See how upstairs looks.
Nice wide steps.
I see what you mean, almost like 3 levels.
Right, yeah, so this is the main living area here.
Okay.
Upstairs is the master suite, kitchen and dining.
Cool. Oh yeah. Nice wide hardwood floors.
Oh yeah. Beautiful hardwoods.
That's nice. Oh, nice.
Oh, this is nice.
I like the window seat. The built-in window seat's really nice.
Great place to put your laptop.
Nice cordon counters. Undermount sink. Stainless steel appliances. Double door refrigerator. It's cool. Oh, these soft close. I love soft close cabinets.
Special features like an automobile.
Yeah, they're soft close cabinets. I love it.
Look at the backsplash.
That's nice.
Nice, simple.
And it's interesting because there's only one wall that needs a backsplash.
Yep.
So it's cool. Have a little wine rack, wet bar on that side.
Basic storage.
Closet. Half bath. It's nice.
Yep.
Stackable front load washer and dryer. Cool.
Stackable washer and
2
dryer.
walk-in closets.
Oh, 2 walk-in
It's
closets.
only one small rack, but it's technically walk-in.
Oh yeah.
Nice. This is a nice size
Small.
master bedroom.
Oh, it's a nice size. Yep.
The double sink. And again, the modern fixtures. It's nice.
Double sick, like you said.
And I feel like lately I haven't seen many of those shower doors. It's like an older style looking shower door, but it looks nice.
Yeah.
Kind of fits the theme of the house.
Huh?
This house, they have recessed lights and surround sound.
Recessed light and surround sound.
It's interesting because it's 2 bedrooms, but it feels, I think it's the multiple levels, it feels bigger.
I agree.
It feels big.
It feels like it's more livable space.
Yeah. Multiple levels, it's got a little bit of a townhouse feel.
Yeah. I can take a look at this one.
I mean, if you sound pretty 1,800 square feet on up.
Okay.
And that doesn't even include the 600 square foot rooftop terrace that
I love this molding.
exclusively yours in the Carter unit.
Yeah, I like the feel. It's like, it's a brand new house, but this feels like the traditional DC houses. When it has like the older molding. This feels like I'm in an old school DC row house right now.
That's part of the staging.
Yep.
But yeah, they did a good job. I think they really knocked it out of the park with the interior decorating on this style.
Yeah, the color's really nice. It's not like the normal lighter tan. It's kind of darker, taupish tan. This is nice. And then wow, this is really nice.
Beautiful.
It's large. So we have nice living room area, a formal dining room, a huge, well, this bathroom's really big. Nice size half bath with a closet.
Half bath?
Yep.
All right.
Half bath.
Beautiful.
Eat-in kitchen. Yeah, this is really, really, really nice. And the funny thing is, based on the size of the units downstairs, I wouldn't have imagined this to be this large. But I guess, you know, you don't have to account for the hallway that's downstairs, so this covers all of that.
Right, the units down below kind of intertwine with each other a little bit, whereas up here, you kind of have the whole length of the building.
All right.
Really good for entertaining.
Really nice.
Nice. Nice wide staircase. This is really nice.
Yeah. Nice spacious living area.
Oh, this is interesting. The staging is nice. It's like I really like. It's like a really old school look because it's a mirror over.
It looks like what goes over top of the radiators.
Yeah, I like that. So here we have 3 bedrooms.
Oh wow.
Again, the same design and the stuff that goes over top the radiators.
That was a nice design.
Access panel for the bathroom.
Yeah.
And again, the colors have like a old school color. It's not like the new modern color. It's like an old school look, which I like.
Yeah.
Bathroom, full bathroom. Sliding closet doors. Another closet. So there's 2 closets in here. Plenty of light.
Plenty of light, yeah.
Bathroom is nice. And something that's as simple as that mosaic tile makes it look that much fancier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, something that's just as simple as that mosaic tile makes it look that much fancier.
Very original.
So this is 3 bedrooms here. Let's see what's on the very top floor.
You mean there's more?
So what's upstairs?
That's the rooftop terrace.
Rooftop terrace. Let's check it out.
Uh-oh. Going up to the rooftop. Don't.
A little warmer up here. Heat wave.
Heat rises.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we know.
So this
Oh,
makes
this is
it all
beautiful.
worth it.
Oh yeah.
Are these real flowers? Like real? Water every now and then, I guess with the rain goes off.
I think they're meant to be low maintenance.
Okay. How that place compares? Looks a little less. That's even 3 bedrooms?
Yeah, they're almost entirely 1-bedroom units.
Oh, okay.
And I think they have 1 3-bedroom unit.
For 5. Okay, but it's all like more of a apartment style, and it's an old looking building.
Wonder what's going on across the street.
They would have turned it down, whatever it was. Old office building.
I'd love to get in there.
Sections for now for
It'd be nice to have one of those like awnings that came this way, either this on this side or this side. To have an awning that came out.
I wonder if that's an option.
I don't know if it's an option, but I mean,
You can find it, yeah. Maybe not with the builder, but
Yeah.
Yeah, awning would be nice right here. Or I guess it'd be better to have it on this side. Maybe you wouldn't know. You probably would never know. Bring it out this way.
Yeah, they would never know.
Well,
If you
maybe
put
back
it,
in- awnings,
One
yeah.
of those, like I always think of like in grade school, those volleyball net things that were
Yeah.
on wheels, and you just have like a pole and you could just
Yeah.
connect it.
Yeah, you can do that,
Get
yeah.
one of those like triangular,
Yeah.
sun-shaped kind of things.
This is nice. Like you wouldn't imagine this. The fact that it's echo. The fact that there's no real backyard. You just have parking out back, which is normal for the city. And you know everything kind of contained into this unit. I wouldn't imagine this to be up here. This is really
It's
nice.
going to be completely unique. So you were asking about across. So that's the old Walter Reed Hospital.
Oh yeah, they tore it down.
So they're tearing that down,
Okay.
and that's about 80 or 90 acres
Yeah.
in the city that's getting completely redeveloped.
Wow.
So this is going to be the next kind of town center
Yeah.
area.
Okay.
The State Department's supposedly moving in there. The 250,000 square feet of like retail space
Okay.
moving in. I think Harris Teeter's
Okay.
moving in over there. There'll be condos, apartments,
Like
townhouses,
shops at the
single
bottom.
Wow.
homes, green space.
Wow, single family homes too.
Uh,
A whole development.
so they're gonna knock that old Walter Reed Hospital down and put some retail
80 or
commercial
90
space.
80 or 90 acres? That's
80 or
insane.
90 acres
So it goes
in the
as
middle of
far- like,
DC.
So right there, this building with like the terracotta roof,
I think that's the old original hospital.
and that's gone too. That's when you.
I think they're preserving that.
Okay.
I think this, obviously, they're tearing this part down.
Right.
Might be the newer part. They've
Okay.
moved, I guess, in with NIH or something.
Okay.
Towards-
So not 8 or 9. You're saying 80. 80 acres.
80 acres
80 acres. That's big.
of redevelopment.
In the middle-
Redevelopment.
That's huge.
That's
They got
huge.
McDonald's a little bit
kind of
down the way.
We're kind of amongst the first here to kind of come into market.
Right.
So as far as what's planned for condos over there, price per square foot is going to be higher over there. And there won't be anything the size of this,
Right.
or anything approaching an outdoor rooftop terrace.
Right.
I mean, there might be a building, like a shared space kind of thing, on the building over there. But there won't be anything other than maybe some small balconies and stuff as far as what they're planning.
Nice. So you said these are 50%. I saw the sign out front. 50% already sold. Okay. All right, sir. Appreciate it. Now, is this a standard feature? These doors that have the keyless entry? Is that-
Yes.